All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency. Mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for BlockFi credit card to get rewards back in Bitcoin, all kinds of good stuff. Today we're going to be talking about Dogelon Mars, also Elon. Well, this coin has actually made it bounce back. It was down 40% last week, and we're going to go through that. It looks like it's actually on the uptick. Also, is the most viewed token in North America in the last 30 days. We're going to check that out. Kind of good there. We know it flipped a Link as the whales love to buy Elon or Dogelon Mars. It flipped Link as the #1 most traded coin among the whales. We're going to kind of cover that as a backup little story. And then also on Visa cards, Visa card says the usage for Visa is 2.5 billion with the B for crypto in the first quarter. So we're going to go over that. I guess a lot of people like having Visa cards that are linked to their crypto account. We're going to kind of check that out too. So, all right, all kinds of good stuff going on this crypto show today. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and yes, one day, you know it, even own some cryptocurrency. All right, Dogelon Mars, one of my favorite tokens. Let's head over and check it out. So right here, Dogelon Mars, everything is green. Take a look at this, 121. It's up 1.5% in the last 7 days. It's up 0.75% in the last 24 hours. Now we're going to click it. Now remember when Dogelon Mars was down 40%? Yeah, let's take a look at that. Here's where that was. That was right here. Take a look at this. When it was down here and it was down 40% in the last week, I mean, look at the level, how it's kind of totally come back. So go Dogelon Mars. Now with that, there's a lot of different whales and different people liking that a lot. Right here on the Twitter account, the top 10 highest viewed coins in all of North America, right here on CoinMarketcap. Well, Wonderland. I mean, number one is they say is baby Dogecoin, but Dogelon Mars is at number 10. It's got 67,000 views, so it looks like it should be number 1, but it does have it at number 10. All I know is Dogelon Mars is in the top 10 highest viewed coins on CoinMarketCap in North America. But if you take a look at that line there, that line is 67,000. That's higher than anything else. So go Dogelon Mars. Another thing too, Whale Stats, the top 1,000 ETH rich list. Just in Elon, Dogelon Mars has flipped the Link to become the most traded token among the 1,000 ETH whales. Now this is huge news, all of this going on. You know, that it bounced itself back, it recovered its price, which is fantastic. More whales are buying this token. Right now, it flipped Link, which is fantastic. And it's in the top 10 most viewed coins on CoinMarketCap in the last month. That's pretty awesome, too. Let's go check out this article and see what it has to say about Dogelon Mars. It says right here, Dogelon Mars leads Matic, Link, Una on the fronts. Here's what it applies. As most coins belong to the meme coin market were trading in the red on Thursday, Dogelon Mars choose the road less traveled, but maybe this is what made the difference. As the big names, including Dogecoin and Shiba, registered a 5 to 6% loss, Dogecoin quite comfortably appreciated by 10%. So you got other coins losing 5 to 6%, Dogecoin and Shiba, where Dogelon Mars is up 10% in the day. In effect, the market capitalization of this coin reflected it's risen as high as $506 million by the time of this press. Given the state of the broader market, Dogelon Pump at this point in time of a quite unconventional. The coin has, however, similar decoupled behaviors patterns in the recent past and looks like the trend is solid this time around. You know, Elon has witnessed a lot of people looking at this coin. Look at this. It's ranked first among other large cap coins, Polygon, Uniswap, and Chainlink, for his witness of 123% rise, it said, in the metrics over the past day. More and more people are looking at this coin than ever. Additionally, the coin daily active address too have witnessed a day-to-day uptick of 23%. Again, it managed to stand out when compared to the likes of other coins. So again, Dogelon Mars. To add Dogelon's prospects, the average holder balance, and this is interesting, the holder balance went up from 5,700 to actually 6,800. So it looks like everybody on an average threw another $1,000 or $1,100 at it. So the average holder price of Elon holders Went from 5,700 to 6,800. Fantastic. Further and highlighted in the article yesterday, things on Dogelon price charts look quite encouraging. Most of the indicators are two bullish breakouts and support a 29 to 45% hike. All right, everybody. So right there, Dogelon Mars. This could be a fantastic opportunity right this second. Did you increase your holdings by $1,100 and actually go up to 6,800? The average person holding Elon was holding about 5,700. Now the average holder is holding 6,800. Flipping the link for the whales are buying more Dogelon than Link, and the top 10 most viewed tokens on CoinMarketCap. I mean, all kinds of indications leading to pretty good success. All right, we'll do a price prediction when we come back. What about these Visa cards linked to cryptocurrency? Is that something that's neat? Do people want it? Well, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Let's head over and look at this Visa card. Visa says crypto-linked cards usage hit 2.5 billion in the first quarter. Holy cow, everybody. Visa said during a recent earnings call, the customers made 2.5 billion payments with its crypto-linked card in the first financial quarter of 2022, 2.5 billion. People are using the crypto-linked cards to spend in a variety of ways, retail goods and services, restaurants, travel, Visa, all kinds of things. Visa has started crypto consulting services and invested in crypto platforms as part of a push for digital currency adoption. So right there, you see a little Coinbase Visa card, pretty good. Visa said during the recent earning call, the customers made 2.5 billion payments with the crypto-linked card in the first quarter. That was 70% of the company's crypto volume in last year. So in the first quarter, and it's actually still the first month. So in the first month of the first quarter, already 2.5 billion with a big B. To us, the signal that consumers see utility in having a Visa card linked to an account as a crypto platform. There is value in being able to access liquidity, to fund purchases and manage expenses, and do so instantly and seamlessly, Visa CFO said. It says, we will continue to lean on the crypto space as our strategy is the key partner to provide the connection, scale, consumer value, proportion, reliability, security it is needed for the crypto offering to continue to grow. The payment company also announced its network of crypto wallet partners are growing from 54 to 65, including Coinbase, BlockFi, just to name a few. And it says right here, merchants accepting crypto as payments also grew almost 100 million. So right there, you're going to be able to swipe your credit card, but it's going to be really attached to Dogecoin, Dogelon Mars. You know, you're going to go into your Visa card and select and say, pay that with my Dogecoin. Pay that with my Dogelon Mars. Pretty interesting thing, huh? All right, so give us your thoughts in the bottom. What do you think about a credit card linked to cryptocurrency? Is this something you have? Is this something you want? I know crypto.com is pretty big on that. So, all right, let's head back over to Dogelon Mars, do a little price prediction, dig into the website a second. So again, over at the website, it's a revamped new website, Dogelon Mars. Got 6 different platforms right here where you can buy your Dogelon. It says, I am Dogelon Mars. Join me and together we'll reach the stars. There's actually 500,000 people on their Twitter account now. They need to update their website here. All right, over here to CoinMarketCap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros. Our price prediction is one of those zeros goes away and there's only 5 zeros. All our information is for educational purposes only. And there's also been leaks they're saying that Dogelon Mars is going to get put on a bigger platform and more platforms. Let's hope it happens. All right, what a fantastic episode. Dogelon Mars. I mean, it rebounded that whole 40% from a few days ago. I mean, that's pretty good. Also, Visa cards attached to crypto links. Do you like it? Do you have it? What do you think? Don't forget to click right here to see our most recent video. It is the weekend. We bring you videos anytime on the weekends. Sometimes we bring them at noon, and bonus videos will be at 3 to 5 o'clock. All right, everybody, you have a fantastic weekend, and we will be back a little later on today.